Hello my dear students. Welcome again to online class of science for class 3rd. Topic is cleanliness, health and hygiene. So students, in last video we studied how we can keep our body clean or how can we maintain personal hygiene. Now in this video we will learn how to keep our surroundings clean. So students, it is very important to keep our homes clean. A dirty home is a home to insect, rats and germs. So what are germs? Germs are very small living things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. They are very small, but they can cause severe diseases. So we should keep our homes clean. We should clean our house and its surroundings every day, not once in a week. We should keep our home and the place around our home should be neat and clean. So students, bathroom of the house is a place where germs can enter easily. So we should wash our bathroom with phenyl, as phenyl is a disinfectant. It will keep the germs away. And the drains outside the house should be covered, as if drains are open, it will attract houseflies and mosquitoes. And we all know that mosquitoes breed on dirty water. So please cover the drains. Next is, we should mop the floor of our house daily. It will also keep the dirt and germs away. Second thing is that the household garbage or waste should be collected in a dustbin. We should not throw garbage here and there. It will also otherwise attract flies and germs. Next is, the doors and windows of the house should be fitted with wire mesh to prevent mosquitoes and houseflies from entering the house. By fitting the wire mesh will allow the fresh air to enter, but it will not allow mosquitoes and housefly to enter in the house. So students, we have seen that it is very much needed to keep our body clean, to keep our house clean, but it is our responsibility to keep our surroundings, the area around our house, to keep it clean. So for that, we have seen many people keep their house clean, but they don't bother about keeping their surroundings clean. They throw their garbage here and there on the road. So garbage should be collected in covered dustbin and it should not be thrown carelessly outside the house. Why? Because it will attract flies and other insects. So every time remember, garbage should be collected in covered dustbins. So students, we have seen that mosquito breed on dirty water or stagnant water. So dirty water that is coming out from the house should not be allowed to collect nearby. For that, there should be proper drainage system that will carry wastewater away from houses. If dirty water will collect in puddles, mosquitoes will breed in them and it will cause various diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya. So don't allow dirty water to collect in puddles. Student, this is a very bad habit that many people are having, this habit of spitting in the open, as spit also attract germs and flies and it can spread infection. So never spit in the open. And if you find anybody spitting in the open, please tell them humbly to not do that. This is also our responsibility. Next is never urinate or defecate in the open. We are having public toilets, so whenever you are out of the house and if you need to urinate, so you can use public conveniences or public toilets instead of urinate in the open. Making people aware of importance of cleanliness, maintaining personal hygiene and keeping the surroundings clean, the Government of India started a campaign to clean the street, roads, infrastructure of the countries, cities and towns. This campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Students, it is India's largest ever cleanliness drive. Let's study the objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Objectives means aim, means why Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started. So students, its main objective is to make people aware about drawbacks of open defecation. As we can see, now also in villages many people go in fields for defecation. They don't know that open defecation is very, very harmful as it can invite many serious diseases. So this Abhiyan aims to change their attitudes and mindset. Its second main objective is to keep villages clean. Gram Panchayat is a basic village governing body in Indian villages. So, this Abhiyan will ensure proper solid and liquid waste management in villages. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan also aims to bring water pipelines in village, ensuring water supply to all households by 2019. So I hope you might have understood the chapter. Let's take a quick recall. We understood that proper hygiene is very, very necessary. So proper hygiene means keeping the body clean. We must keep our skin, hair, eyes and nose clean. And to stay healthy, we must eat a balanced diet. For that, we should take proper portion of carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Along with it, we should exercise regularly and take adequate rest, that is 8 hours of sleep. It is very important to keep our house and surroundings clean as well. So for that, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan means Clean India Movement is a campaign that is started by the Government of India to clean the streets, roads, infrastructures of the country's cities and towns. So now students, it's homework time. For homework, you have to read the chapter thoroughly at home and please try to solve exercises of the chapter in your textbook. That's all for now students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.